Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Kali Linux device remotely from a Windows 11 PC. Now this is the Windows 11 PC and we'll be using SSH client, which is installed by default, and we'll be using the command prompt. And on the Kali Linux machine, we need to verify that SSH is running, enabled and running, and also we need to get the IP address. Now let's open the terminal. I will right click and open terminal here, and to check if SSH is running, we'll do system ctl status SSH, and it's active and running. Now in case you find that you don't have SSH installed, you can install it using sudo apt install open SSH server. So that's the command to install SSH in case you don't have it. The other thing, like I said, we need is the IP address. So use the command IP address to get the IP address, which is in this case 172.16.1.103. Once you have the IP address and once you verify that SSH is running, we can go to the Windows 11 PC and open the command prompt. So search for cmd, and that should open the command prompt. There it is. And to verify that you have SSH client installed, just do SSH, press enter, and if you see the options, that means that you have SSH client. Now the command to connect to the Kali Linux machine is going to be SSH, and then input the username on the Kali Linux machine, and then the IP address. Add the IP address 172.16.1.103. Press enter. Now if this is your first time connecting to that machine, you'll be asked if you trust it. I trust it, so I'll type yes, and then you'll need to put in the password for the user eno. So let me go ahead and put in the password, and as you can see, I'm able to log in the Kali Linux machine. I can do W to show who I'm logged in as. I'm logged in as eno. I'm coming from this IP. So this is the IP address for this Windows 11 PC, and I'm using SSH. If I open a new window here, I can verify the IP. I can do IP config on this Windows 11, and this is the IP address right here. If we go back to the Kali Linux device, if we rerun the command system ctl status SSH, at the bottom you'll see the logs. It's going to show the accepted password for eno from this IP, and we're using this port, and this is what we're using SSH to do the connection. And it also says session open for user eno. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Kali Linux machine from a Windows 11 PC. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.